Which non-toxic air fryer is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit deeper to find the answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 amazing options that let you enjoy crispy, delicious food without any harmful chemicals. Product number 1, Kasari TurboBlaze Air Fryer. First up is the Kasari 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Priced at $113.65, this one grabbed my attention because it boasts a premium ceramic coating that's non-toxic. If you want a healthier way to cook your favorite meals, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The TurboBlaze technology creates a powerful 3600 RPM fan speed and heats up to 450 degrees F, meaning you get crispy results without the guilt of excess oil, up to 95% less oil compared to traditional frying. With a 6-quart capacity, you can feed the whole family, and the 5 different fan speeds ensure your food is cooked evenly. Plus, with over 20,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear others are loving it too. Now, some people complained about the noise level, saying it can get a bit loud when on the highest fan speed. Here's the thing though, at less than 53 dB, it's quieter than many other air fryers, and it's not a deal breaker if you're looking for efficiency and performance. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile air fryer that can handle everything from baking cookies to dehydrating fruits. Skip this one if you're after a compact model or if noise sensitivity is a major concern for you. For the price, the features truly deliver great value. Now, if the size of the Kasari bothered you, this next one might just fit your needs better. Product number 2, Ninja Pro Air Fryer. Next, let's talk about the Ninja Air Fryer. Priced at $164.33, this model caught my eye because of its 4-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. If you're looking for versatility in the kitchen, this is definitely worth considering. It has a 5-quart capacity, fitting up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of wings, making it a great choice for family gatherings. The non-stick basket ensures cleanup is a breeze too. With a strong reputation and over 20,000 units sold recently, it speaks volumes about its popularity. However, some users mention that the basket feels a bit flimsy. Here's the thing, while it might not have that heavy-duty feel, it still performs exceptionally well and gets the job done. It's not something that should deter you from trying it out. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for your cooking needs. Skip this one if you prefer a more robust construction or if you frequently cook for larger gatherings. Considering its functionality, it offers solid value for money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger families. Product number 3, Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Coming in at $214.90, the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven is next on my list. This caught my attention because it combines an air fryer with a toaster oven, offering a whopping 26-quart capacity. If you're cooking for a crowd, this one's definitely worth checking out. It can fit a 6 lb chicken or bake a 12 pizza, making it perfect for family meals or gatherings. Plus, the stainless steel finish adds a nice touch to your kitchen decor. It's a great buy with thousands sold recently, showing that people are impressed. Now, some users reported that it takes up a bit more counter space than expected, which can be tricky in smaller kitchens. Here's the thing though, for the capabilities it offers, the extra space it requires might just be worth it. This is perfect for you if you enjoy hosting and want an all-in-one cooking solution. Skip this one if counter space is a premium in your kitchen. The performance and versatility make it a great investment. If you're looking for something a bit more compact while still being effective, the next option is one to consider. Product number 4, Bella Slim Air Fryer. Next up is the Bella 4 QT Slim Air Fryer, which is priced attractively at $63.20. I was drawn to this model because of its compact design and its ever-good ceramic non-stick coating. If you're tight on space but still want crispy meals, this could be the one for you. This slim air fryer is designed to fit into any kitchen without sacrificing cooking capability. It holds up to 3.3 pounds of food, perfect for whipping up quick meals. With 6 preset cooking options and adjustable temperature, you can easily prepare anything from fries to chicken. The non-stick interior makes cleaning so easy, no one wants to deal with a messy kitchen after cooking. With over 5,000 units sold, it's gaining attention for good reasons. However, some users mention that the cooking time can be longer than expected. Here's the thing, while it may take a bit longer, it's still cooking healthier meals without the toxins found in some other coatings. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, space-saving solution. Skip this one if you need larger capacity for bigger family meals. For the price, you can't go wrong with this quality air fryer. Now, if you're after a truly unique design, the next one might be just what you need. Product number 5, Ninja Crispy Glass Air Fryer. Finally, we have the Ninja Crispy 4-in-1 Glass Air Fryer priced at $227.49. What really caught my eye here is the non-toxic clean crisp glassware it comes with. If you're looking for a modern and safe cooking option, this is a fantastic choice. This air fryer features the Crispy Power Pod, allowing you to cook meals in both the 4-quart container or the 6-cup container. You can prepare a personal-sized meal in just 7 minutes, and the 4-quart can handle a 4 lb chicken. The unique glass design is not only non-toxic, but also easy to clean and store. The feedback on this product has been positive, with many appreciating the convenience. However, some users noted that the glass containers can be heavy. Here's the thing, while they might be heavier than plastic, they offer a safer cooking method and are totally worth the trade-off. This is perfect for you if you value non-toxic cooking and want something that fits well in your kitchen. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight or ultra-compact. The quality justifies the price point, especially for those who prioritize health. To recap, the Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer shines for its versatility and ceramic non-stick coating, while the Ninja Pro Air Fryer is fantastic for its multiple cooking functions. The Emeril Lagasse model is a powerhouse for larger meals, and the Bella Slim Air Fryer is perfect for smaller spaces. Finally, the Ninja Crispy offers a unique and safe cooking experience with its glass containers. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most to you before making a decision.